In this video, I will show you how you can generate image like this with free AI tools. IllusionDiffusion. This is the first website for generating illusion images. First, select the pattern of illusion you want to create. And then give the prompt here to generate images. Wait for a few seconds and here is the result. This website link is in the description. Now, second website is Diffuse. In this website, we can create images without background. Let me show you how you can generate images like this. First, give the prompt you want to generate and then click on generate and wait for a few seconds. And here is the result. And the last website is Semantic palettes. In this tool, we can generate beautiful images with simple prompt. You can also upload or generate image by drawing. Let us create image by drawing. I'm drawing two mountains and one sun. After drawing, give the prompt for reference to create images. Hope you like this video. Please comment below which is your favorite AI tools. Thank you.